Step number 1. Install the color plates. Use 4 of the short 2.5mm Allen bolts to secure the 2 color plates. Step number 2. Install the mounting bolts. Use 2 of the long 2.5mm Allen bolts with the spacers and the rubber rib nuts. Step number 3. Remove the push clips. Remove the 3 push clips on the factory cover. Step number 4. Use a hood prop rod. A prop rod is needed to hold the hood open after removing the hood strut. Step number 5. Remove the hood strut. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pull the lock, then remove. Step number 6. Remove the washer fluid line clip. Step number 7. Remove the ball stud. Use a 12mm socket to remove the ball stud. Step number 8. Install the fender cover. Install the top 2.5mm Allen bolts into the holes on the fender. Step number 9. Check the washer fluid line. Make sure the washer fluid line is not getting pinched between the fender cover and the strut tower. Step number 10. Reinstall the ball mount. Step number 11. Tighten the 2.5mm Allen bolts. Step number 12. Tighten the ball mount. Step number 13. Reinstall the hood strut to the ball mount. Step number 14. Repeat this process for the other side.